Hi guys, it's Darlene and welcome to my kitchen. All right, so we were here last week, we're here again because I actually made two recipes because they were have some similar ingredients to make things a little bit easier. So without further ado, let's talk about low carb meatballs. All right, so let's talk about the ingredients we need. We are going, and feel free, if you don't like sausage, use beef. If you don't like beef, use sausage. I'm gonna use 1 pound. So I'm gonna use half of ground sirloin and half of ground pork. That's gonna be the meat. I need 1 whole thing of cream cheese. We're gonna use 2 cups then of cheese. I'm gonna mix mozzarella and cheddar. And we also need, you don't need this, but I want it because I really want my meatballs to be moist. I sauteed some spinach, a little bit of onion, and 1 tablespoon of carrots. So this is gonna go a long way. And then we are gonna use, of course, salt and pepper, and we're gonna use Carb Quick. Carb Quick is a low carb version of Bisquick, is what it looks like. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing we're gonna go ahead and do is mix the cream cheese. Let me just zoom you over here and look there. I just whipped up some of the cream cheese to get it nice and smooth. KitchenAid processor. This just makes life 100 times easier. And I like mixing beef and sausage, so the beef helps with that. So we're gonna mix that up. And the herbs that, I'm gonna wash my hands real quick. I'm also using our oregano and paprika, but you could use any herbs that you like. I'm gonna put 1 cup to start with of the Carb Quick. We're gonna add 2 cups of any kind of cheese that you fancy. And I know I'm not measuring, but I know roughly. And then our veggies. This is literally dump it in and spin it around. We are gonna use salt, of course, and fresh ground pepper. And then I'm gonna use a little bit of paprika. And just a little bit, there you guys go, of oregano. Okay, I'm going to mix this on slow at first. Everything mixed in. I just want it to come together like meatballs. Perfect. We're gonna do it a little spin. Perfect. And so you can see it has the consistency of regular meatballs. Oh, yeah. Let's get them out of here. Look at that. Okay. So next step. I'm gonna saute some of them. I'm just gonna use a little bit of oil. I don't need a whole lot. Bell sleeve sweater may not be the best. And then I'm just gonna take them, and you can make these any size you want. And then there you go. now I have the meatballs in my little oven. You can use the big oven, of course. And I'm just gonna put them in at 325 and just until they're done and cooked all the way through so they keep their moisture. All right, so meatballs are done. I have some there. I have some that I just finished in the skillet. They are so good. I cut one open just to make sure it was completely done on the inside. And by the way, so good. Oh my God. They really are good. You never know these were low carb. Now I'm gonna show you a quick and easy sauce to sort of mimic Swedish meatballs. You could eat them just like this. Serve it with a little bit of cauliflower puree. If you want to see my recipe, just hit the low carb playlist and my cauliflower puree recipe is there. But here's the thing, guys. You can get frozen cauliflower puree. It's just as good as what you'll make at home. It really is. And they have some with bacon, chives. Really, really good. I have a lot in my freezer. This one is the family style. So, you know, I don't make mashed potatoes in this house ever. My family prefers cauliflower, and so why not, right? I'm losing all my life. So, it's really good. But I'm gonna show you a quick and easy way to do kind of a mock Swedish meatball sauce. So let's get started. Okay guys, so let's get started with the Swedish meatball sauce. Low carb version. So same skillet that I fried those little puppies in. Why waste that good juice? So we're gonna turn that on. Let me go, while that's heating up, let me go ahead and go over the ingredients with you. Very, very simple. We're gonna use a little bit of butter, a little bit of onion, mushrooms, salt, pepper, and heavy cream. This particular one from H-E-B has 0 carbs. All right. We're gonna take 1 tablespoon of butter. It just adds that richness, you know? So let me zoom you in here. And the meatballs are right there, just. We're gonna add 2 tablespoons of onion. You can use white, you can use yellow, you can use green, you can use any kind you want. We're just gonna saute those. And I am going to use about a cup of mushrooms. So we're just going to saute these until the mushrooms, lost one, are tender. A little bit of thyme. Nothing goes better with mushrooms than thyme. Gonna add some fresh ground pepper. And we're gonna wait just a few minutes before we add the salt, because the salt will draw the moisture out, and I wanna get these nice and brown. All right guys, now for the heavy cream. It's about a cup and a quarter. I'm Italian. I don't really measure unless I absolutely have to, but heavy cream, free carbs. Now, I am gonna pepper the heck out of it, and I'm going to definitely add salt, because remember we haven't put any salt in, and I wanna make sure it tastes good. So we're gonna turn the heat up and just get this bubbling and thick. All right guys, so you can see that I have it bubbling, so then I just lower the heat. I'll put in the meatballs and just let them soak up that beautiful sauce. How gorgeous is that? And there you have it. Low carb version Swedish meatballs. Beautiful. Absolutely delicious. Little fresh ground pepper. And there you have it. Just sprinkle with a little oregano, and there you have it. Aren't those beautiful? Cover them with the sauce. No one will know the difference.